Respect Trey Production. I know this with Ponkie that. Them conscious prince. And let me introduce the thing. Conscious music is for the mature people, you see. I got is crucial. Charisma, go to this. United righteousness comes first, then don't be afraid. Rastafari is the ruler every day. So tonight, know that this the rule that them created them. A conquering lion, triple of them to the noon. You gotta be strong and like Jamburn. Safe up in the streets or living at the jungle them. And people them are trying to busy understand. Just give us them cleanings and the pure heart. And it's a shame to see the people fighting in the stress trouble. Can solve them no problem. And soldier who come down and set us free. Who my desire gets to make no problem. With no wonder unity righteousness comes first then. Don't be afraid, Rastafari is the ruler every day. So tonight, know that this the ruler them created them. A conquering lion, trouble of them to the know unity righteousness comes first then. Don't be afraid, Rastafari is the ruler every day. So tonight, know that this the ruler them created them. A conquering lion, trouble of them to the know. Listen to this one day. I'm a humble African. Not by peace or God my salvation. Because the mouth of the wicked under the sea is open. And if a Rasta man make a move, wicked man are ready to set you down. So Jah guide them, make sure protected in this journey of life. For on this earth nothing belong to we. One day Jah shall live in perfect harmony and tranquility. Selassie to the maximum. Respect conscious music for the mature people. Respect the trio productions. United righteousness comes first and don't be afraid. Rastafari is the ruler every day. So tonight, not that is the